So today we'll explore how we can automate restaurant order taking, reduce staff workload, and also ensure no customer call is ever missed again. So before we start, you might be thinking, why would restaurant need AI agent for order taking, right? I have a scenario for you. Think about a busy restaurant on a Friday night, phone ringing nonstop, staffs juggling dine-in customers while taking phone orders, and worst of all, missed calls. Every missed call is a missed sale. And even when calls are answered, human errors in taking orders can lead to incorrect items, customers' frustration, and bad reviews. But what if you had a reliable AI assistant that could handle all your phone orders efficiently, never miss a call, and integrate seamlessly with your restaurant order taking system? That's exactly what GHL Voice AI can do. Fascinating, right? So before we start, I would like to give a brief on GHL on for those who don't actually have idea about it. So GHL or Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing automation and CRM platform designed for agencies, marketers, businesses to streamline lead generation, customer management, and sale automation. It also offers features like CRM and sales pipeline, marketing automation, funnels, and website builders, appointment scheduling, white labeling, and also we can integrate it with third-party apps as well. So we won't dig deep into that because GHL has a lot of features. What we'll be focusing on is GHL Voice AI. So Go High Level Voice AI is a AI power driven voice assistant that can interact with customer over the phone, understand natural language, and take order completely and accurately. So with GHL Voice AI, restaurant can automate phone orders 24/7, reduce staff workload while increasing efficiency, eliminate miscommunication and order errors. Seamlessly, we can also integrate it with CRM system or delivery platforms. This means your restaurant can provide fast, accurate, and professional service to every customer every time. Now that we understand the power of GHL Voice AI, let's get to work. So we are going to share step by step how we can build this voice AI. We'll be training that as well. And at last, I'll be explaining some automation that can possibly help you to integrate this voice AI with your CRM. So let's get to work. Yeah, when we log into GHL sub account, this is the interface that we see. So this is called dashboard. From here, we have to go to settings. And then we have to find voice AI agents. Okay, so as we can see, we have created a lot of voice AI. So from here, we're going to click on create a voice AI. Oh, okay. Before we start, I just have to mention that for this voice AI creation, we have to have LC phone or lead connector phone system. So this is basically a built-in telephone system within GHL that eliminates the need of third-party integration like Twilio. So yeah, GHL provides this lead connector phone system. So if we have this integrated, we can create this agent. So yeah, this is the general instruction, the general um, identification of this agent. So we have agent name, business name, language, voice. So yeah, I would actually like some suggestions from the audience. Can you guys help me with naming my agent and also naming my business? So Diman, let me know if any suggestion comes up for before that. Meanwhile, I'm going to select a voice for this. So we have a lot of voice here. So you can choose any voice that speaks more to you. We can also play this and hear the voice. So for me, I think I'll choose. Okay, I am actually a fan of Rachel's, so I'm going to choose her voice. And here we have time zone and languages as well. So it's on beta, so it has some languages. So it has Portuguese, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Dutch. You can choose any language. So we're going to keep it English. So it has inbound call and outbound call is coming soon. So for this, of course, we need inbound call. Okay, and this is the initial message that the voice AI is going to say when the call connects. So Diman, do we have any suggestions?
Uh, Maybe we can take one suggestion. Elan Cafe. Somebody says.
Okay, the spelling ELAN.
Yeah.
Elan Cafe. See. Okay. And for the agent name,
Um, Use a physics agent. FIZI.
okay. Uh, we can give it a human name.
Yeah, maybe we can use the voice artist name, Rachel.
Okay, Rachel then. Okay. And here, okay, so it says, hey, you have reached. So we're going to say that, hey, you have reached Elon's Cafe. From here, we're going to click next. So this gets saved. And this is the part we train our bot. So here we can see we can update the contacts like contact fields, names, emails, address, and contacts issue. So this is actually the basic mode. And for the bot that we are building, we need to switch it to advanced mode. And once we switch it to advanced mode, we can't go back to basic mode. So this is the prompt. This is where all of the magic happens. So we're going to keep that for now. I'll come back to that. So, uh, okay, after the call ends, we have call transfer. So from here, if suppose if someone asks the bot something that it doesn't have the training on, then it can also redirect this call to a human agent. And then we can trigger a workflow from here, update contact fields. For now, I think we'll have name, okay, okay, first name, and then name of the caller. Override. And then yeah, we have to also provide some examples. John J. We'll keep these. So we can also update the email or anything like order. We can also update the order details so that uh, these information will get stored and a task can be created, or we can also use it in different automation use cases. And we can also send SMS to the customer if we want. Okay, trigger a workflow and the call is completed. We can do that as well. And this is the receive email notification. So from here, when the call ends, we can send the transcript of this call to a user. So we can send it to all users, contact assigned users or specific users, or we can also send it to a custom email. But now we don't need this. Okay, so yeah, let's get back. Okay, next. And then here is the phone, phone and availability. From here, we have to buy or select a number. For now, these all are occupied. So if you use a number for one agent, you can't use it for another one. And that is, I think, a better thing because then the call will get like collided. So we're not going to use for now any. And if you want, you can also buy one. So from here, we can buy a number. You can just go ahead and buy number from here. But now I'm not going to use that. So, okay, I think I have lost my agent. Okay, this one. Okay, I didn't save this one. I should have saved it. My bad. So you need to have Rachel. Okay. Done. See. Okay. Here and the agent goes. So yeah, we come back to the prompt and okay. This is the area from where we can test our bot to see if it works properly. So, we'll test it, but for now we have to give it a prompt. Okay. So here, as we can see, we need a background info and call handling and all. So this actually needs a proper instruction and a format that will work best for it. So, what we can do for to generate this prompt, we can use ChatGPT. For now, I will use Collab AI agent. So I have built this agent for this task. So, um, after doing a lot of trials and errors, to I got the hang of it, like how I can generate that prompt, that perfect prompt that works good with GHL. And it actually takes a lot of time when I go and would tell it to like ChatGPT. It gives me a prompt, but it doesn't work 100%. So now I have made this agent to help me with that. And to give a background on Collab AI, it is actually our native multi-model AI platform. So we can use different models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, and also DeepSeek. So we can build different AI agent with that. So yeah, you can also use ChatGPT, but for now I'm going to use my agent here. So 90% of the time it does give me a good prompt. Let's see what it gives me now. So let's see. So we do have to optimize this because it gives 95% a good prompt, but we based on our use case, we have to sometimes optimize it with custom instructions. So let's see what it gives. Right now, I'm not going to go on that because we don't have much time for this. Okay, so this has provided me somewhat good prompt, like it has background info, cool, and okay, we also have like script. Okay, so it also gave me two scripts for pickup and delivery. Okay, it is somewhat a good prompt. We're going to copy that. We will go back to our agent. So eliminate this. Okay. Oh, so after doing much research, I got that this is the structure that the prompt follows. So we have to have background info that we already have that goal and call instruction like conversation flow. And finally, we need a knowledge base. For now, we need a menu. So to save time, I have a dummy menu over here. So we're just going to copy this and paste it down here. Okay, save this. Okay, for now, I'm not going to add any number here, but of course you can have a number that is going to be connected with your voice AI. And this is the dashboard and logs for the agent. Okay. Um, since I'm not going to put the number, I'm just going to test it out from here. So for every agent, we have 10 minutes of free call every day. I can, this is going to be free call, but if I call with a number, if I have had bought one, then it would have like cost me some money. So from here, I'm just going to put my number. Let's see what it does. So don't worry, it's a free call. Okay, call me. Mm, okay, numbers. Okay, it is ringing. Okay.
Everyone's Cafe. How can I help you today?
Hi, I wanted to order some snacks. So what are your specials?
We've got some tasty snacks on the menu. You can try our Dotard heated with spiced nut mix, cheese-filled pastries, or mini chicken shawarma rolls. Which one sounds good to you?
I think mini chicken shawarma rolls would be good.
Choice. Chicken shawarma rolls would you like to order?
Mm, five. It's for one person, so yeah, five.
Chicken shawarma rolls it is. Will this be for pickup or delivery?
Delivery. Hello?
Just checking in. Would you like your order for pickup or delivery? Got it, no problem. Could you let me know if you'd like pickup or delivery for your order?
It's for delivery.
Great. Please provide your address and any specific instructions.
Mm, well, yeah, so it's on the 56th Avenue. Okay, the address is 56th Avenue, and yeah, um, I actually would like a beverage with that.
Sure thing. We've got fresh mango yogurt drink, refreshing mint lemonade, traditional Turkish tea, and strong Arabic coffee. Which
Mm,
one would you like?
Okay, how would be the Turkish what? What did you say? I didn't get that actually.
No worries. We have traditional Turkish tea. Would you like to add that to your order?
Mm, no, no, I would like the mango lassi or drinks that you said.
Got it. I'll add the fresh mango yogurt drink, also known as last in your order. Would you please confirm the rest of your delivery address?
Yeah, it's 56th Avenue.
Thanks. Could you also provide any specific delivery instructions or an apartment number if needed?
No, none.
All right, no problem. Could I have your name, please?
It's Jane.
Thanks, James. Just to confirm, your order is 5 mini chicken shawarma rolls and a fresh mango yogurt drink for delivery to 56th Avenue. Could I also confirm the best phone number to reach you at?
Yeah, the number I called you from. And okay, what would be the price? Hello?
Just checking in, James. What would you like to know next?
Yeah,
I
the
just
total
wanted
cost.
total for your order of 5 mini chicken shawarma rolls and a fresh mango yogurt drink comes to $44.94. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that would be all.
Awesome. Your order is all set and will be delivered to 56th Avenue. Thanks for choosing Elon's Cafe, James. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Bye. Fascinating, right? So yeah, I actually interrupted her a lot of times. So yeah, this is what THL Voice AI can do. I was in awe when first I saw this. So okay, so from this, you can like seamlessly integrate it with different CRM systems. I'll just show one of the automation that I've created for another voice AI. So it is also order taking voice AI. So if the order is for delivery, this workflow would get triggered. And if it's for delivery, it would go down this route and it would create an order, a task for a person. And then when the task is completed, it can also send messages. So with this automation, we can have like endless possibilities of automation and we can have endless use cases. So yeah, this was, I hope it was fascinating to you all as well. So yeah, that was all.